Okay, just a quick video to show you the new summary report feature of the sizing program. This will allow you to produce your own sizing report, which you can submit for approval. So in order to get the report, we need to generate a sizing summary. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll pick a drainage area of 4 acres and an imperviousness of 75%. 18-inch pipes of 1%, and I'm going to call it Vernon Warehouse and Vernon, Connecticut. And I'll pick a rainfall. And I'm just going to pick Hartford for the sake of things. And I'm going to pick a particle size distribution. You can see here we've changed New Jersey to include ETV. They're the same particle size distribution. And since Hydrostorm is ETV Canada verified, we've just added that in for the Canadian folk. I'm going to pick OK110 sand for Connecticut in this case. And we're going to go back and do the simulation. Now, once the simulation is complete, I'm going to print the summary report. So I select the little printer icon and say print the summary report. And I'm going to print it to a PDF file. It's going to ask me for the name of that file. And I'm just going to call it test.pdf. I already have one, so it's going to ask me to replace it. And then I'll get into the summary of the report. So the first page of the report gives you the information, what the site name is, where it is, what the date of the simulation is, the recommended size for the percent annual TSS removal that you've wanted, and I've left it alone at 80%, and so then it tells me that an HS6 is recommended for 80% removal for that area of 4 acres, 75% impervious, Hartford, Connecticut rainfall for the OK110 sand distribution. And it tells me how much of the annual runoff that this separator will treat. And then on the following pages, and there's 5 pages in the report, it gives summaries of all the pertinent information. So on the second page, it will give you the summary screen, highlighting what unit is proposed. It will show the particle size distribution in detail. It will also give you a graph of the rainfall intensity distribution. So for example, 95% of the annual rainfall will be treated at a rainfall intensity of 0.9 inches per hour. The site physical characteristics, evaporation, infiltration, depression storage, all those good things. And then the dimensions and capacities of the unit that were selected are highlighted in yellow, as well as a CAD drawing of the unit that was selected. And then the final page gives you buildup and wash-off parameters. They are straight from SWIM. We've used a first flush exponential buildup and power exponential wash-off. We then also have, if there are any upstream quantity storage, such as if this was downstream of a pond, we would have filled out the upstream storage or quantity storage tab, and obviously we have not done so in this case. So that's it. That gives you a quick overview of the report that you can get now from the sizing program. And thanks for watching this, and come back often to our YouTube channel or visit our website for any updates at www.hydroworks.com.